Are you feeling like you've lost your edge? Low energy, reduced strength, or a dip in confidence? As men age, natural testosterone levels can decline, affecting energy, performance, and vitality. When testosterone levels drop, it's not just your physical performance that takes a hit. It can impact your mood, muscle strength, and even your ability to focus. Over time, these changes can make you feel like a shadow of your former self. MaxHealth Nutraceuticals Test Enhance is here to help. This advanced formula is designed to naturally support healthy testosterone levels, enhance energy, boost muscle strength, and reignite your confidence. It's the fuel your body needs to perform at its peak. Take back your vitality with Test Enhance. It's time to feel strong, energized, and unstoppable. Visit drnicolemd.com/MaxHealth Nutraceuticals now and start your journey to peak performance.